Fertan is the only rust converter you'll ever need. If you haven't heard of Fertan before, it's Germany's #1 rust converter. And it's trusted by over 11 million customers worldwide. So what makes Fertan so special? Unlike other rust converters, its unique penetrating formula delivers a dual-action treatment to destroy rust and protect steel. First, only Fertan drives through the rust to the bare metal beneath to deposit a protective layer of zinc phosphate under the rust, effectively galvanizing the steel. It also protects any bare metal, creating a barrier against oxygen and moisture, the causes of rust. Then it neutralizes the rust, making it hard, stable, and resistant to oxygen and water until you're ready to paint or coat it for full protection. So the unique protective zinc phosphate barrier and rust neutralization of Fertan means a rust-free foundation for all your paints and coatings. Fertan's the most versatile product on the market. It treats rusty metal and bare metal, surfaces which can get hot, and petrol tanks too. It's compatible with any filler, paint or coating applied afterwards and doesn't react with rubber, plastic or surrounding paint. Fertan's easily applied, needs just a single application and has an indefinite shelf life. Fertan's easy to use. Prepare, remove loose surface rust and wipe clean. Apply enough Fertan to thoroughly soak into the rust. Wait 24 to 48 hours, depending on temperature, for Fertan to fully react. And rinse with water to remove waste products from the conversion. You now have up to 6 months to paint or coat it in the normal way. Fertan destroys rust, protects steel.